Hello, this is Dionne from Dionne's Jewelry Avenue. And today I figured we'll do one of those inventory unboxing videos. I've never done one of those, so I thought, hey, why not do one now since I just received all my products in. So let's open up this first bag. See what we got. Okay, some nylon thread that I use to make my macrame. More charms, more black charms. I use it for my bangles, my earrings, just about everything. Some more candy charms. Pretty neat. Evil eye charms. I ordered a lot of things because I'm hoping to launch my business on Monday. So I need to finish up a few products, some jewelry and stuff. We've got more black charms. White charms. More black charms. So a lot of black charms. Okay, some white ones. Some red ones. Like I said, I use these to make earrings, bangles. I use it for my macrame bracelets. Here's some more black charms. Some red charms. And some blue charms. These are very pretty. We got flowers and pearls, baby bottles, all kinds of stuff in there. Let's see what's in this one. Oh, got more red charms. Some more red charms. Let's see what we got in the box. I ordered all my charms from Amazon. Favorite place. They always give you a good deal, so I said, why not? And like I said, with my shop, I'll be selling bangles, macrame bracelets, earrings, aloha chokers, charm rings. Let's see what's in there. All this paper just for these charms. Wow. But here's some more charms. Black charms. See what's in this one. We have some pink charms. There's a lot of them in there. Got flowers, purses, hearts, all kinds of goodies. These look like they're just plain gold, I guess. Gold and black. Looks like a different type of gold. It's not the same color gold as this one, but it's still cute. Some more white charms. Some more pink charms. I've got one box left. I believe it might be my holly mallards. I ordered. Since my jewelry is so small, I try to get the smallest ones, which is 4x6, are the smallest holly mallards. And that's what they are. They are the 4x6 holly mallards. And I've got 150 of them. I want to be well prepared for launch day. I don't want no surprises. Keeping my fingers crossed that nothing will go wrong. But that is all my unboxing. Once again, my name is Dionne from Dionne's Jewelry Avenue. And please like and subscribe to my channel. And you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.